Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing some Microbit demos. I will basically be showing you how to code some specific things using the Microbit by Microsoft and BBC. So first you will go to make code. So that'll be Microsoft make code for Microbit. So this link here, you'll click that. And then you'll click a new project. As you can see, there are all these tutorials, so if you have the chance you can go through a lot of these. And since the new v2 is going to be sent, you will have the option to do these more complicated ones. So we'll be starting with the project flashing hearts. So we'll start, flashing hearts, and we'll click create. Now as you can see, we've got this database with all the blocks. So we will start by getting a forever, or you could use a on button A pressed. So one of either of these blocks. I prefer the forever block if you want the heart to flash forever until a command is said. So I guess first let's do the button A and button B. So button A, button B. So on button A pressed, so you'll take a while loop, and while true, it'll do show LED. Wait, sorry, not that. Show icon heart, and then pause a specific amount, so I'd say like 500 milliseconds, and then add the clear screen. Now this will repeat until you press button B, which will clear the string completely. So as you can see here in the simulator, if I click button A, you can see that it creates the heart shape. And now I'll see what I can do for the blinking. So for the blinking part, we will do something like this. So I'll switch these two, and then
You're absolutely right. You have to add another pause between show icon and clear screen, and after clear screen you have to write down another pause. Yes.
So click that, and then I guess it should work now. So that, as you can see, it's flashing. Now you could change the millisecond timing if you want, but that is optional.
And on the button press, you have to define a variable here so that you can have it properly.
Well, the variable's not necessarily, but if you want to experiment more, that's completely fine. So as you can see, on button A pressed, it'll keep on looping the heart until you press button B, which will clear the screen. But as you can see, that's not working, so we need to do something else.
You have to, while it's true, you are making as true, but make the true now a variable. So
create a variable. Let's call it flashing heart. So create something like that, and then set flashing heart to not. So take this not, then get the variables flashing heart. So after you've done that, you will go here and then also put the loop, the while true loop.
No.
What do you mean?
No, it's not like that. You do not have to really put the while true loop here. Basically, you can just simply set this variable here as true or false. And basically here, when you are setting this while true, instead of that, you need to put a variable here into the while loop. So for that, what you will do, you will set this variable flashing heart here, and then here basically first you need to set it as true. So to set it as true, where is this one? You need to go to logic, and into the logic you have the true, so you'll set it as true first. So whenever you are setting them as true, you really making this as true while loop. And in the button B press, what you will do, you will just how to copy it, duplicate it, and you will set it as false. And whenever you will make it as false, then that means what is happening on button press, it is true, but whenever button B press, it's making as false. Now try it here.
Alright, so here a quick demo. So as you can see, it's flashing. Let's just do it faster, so maybe like 200 milliseconds, that'll help. So as you can see, it's flashing. So now it's flashing, and as I click B, it'll stop. So that's how you create flashing heart. Here's a quick view. Oh, too much. So on button A pressed, this will happen, and on button B pressed, this will happen. So you can copy this code or write it yourself. That is for the flashing heart. Now let's go on to
you need to download it. So let's download it into the Microbit part. So whenever you will click on the download, it will go to the Microbit. So click on download.
So click on the download, and if this happens, then you will go to your Microbit and then insert it here. So make sure you find this and then save. So now you've got all this. So then done. Or sometimes that doesn't happen, and you can just download it directly onto your Microbit.
And you can see right now that's in Microbit. It will be popped up.
So you could see like it's downloading right now. This yellow light is blinking, and once this download is complete, basically this light will stop blinking. Now the code is ready. We are clicking here, and you could see this flashing light is there. And basically, if you stop it after button B, this is button B. When you press button B, it's no more working. Again, if you click on button A, this flashing light is started. Press button B, it gets stopped.
You can see as I put the battery in,
so you need to check, like this groove is here. So this groove you have to properly put into the groove, and once you are there, basically you could see this red light is blinking. And if you just press on this is the reset button. You can press the reset button, and then basically this red light is will blink on. And whenever you will click on this button A, you could see this has been started again. And let's just have seen like this heart sign is how this is coming, like a heart sign from your side. So from this you can see, you can put it anywhere, and that will be like a blinking heart sign. And whenever you will stop it, it stopped. Again you can press button and it starts the blinking again.
you can see after we install the code, as you press button A, the heart will start blinking, and then after you press button B, the heart will stop blinking and go completely blank.